Hey everyone, welcome to 12 Days of Halloween with 25 Sweet Peas. Today is day 9 and our prompt is, as it's revealing, can you find it? It's kind of small on this one. It is abstract. So today we're going to start off with a light lavender base. This is Heroine NYC's shade called Lilac It. I really love this cream. Really, I love everything they make. Their polishes are just amazing. That was a quick 2 coats of that to get a good base down, and then I am using one of their gold polishes that I can't remember the name of, but I will have listed down below. And then I am using an MLF Lacquer green polish and kind of just putting on some dry brush strokes to create the abstract vibe. And then in the kind of empty spaces, I'm just putting in some black elongated dots and in clusters of 3. Then I'm going to let that all dry, put on my top coat, and my manicure is done. So here is the final look at this design. I really enjoyed this one so much. I know it's not like super Halloween, but it's kind of a Halloween color scheme, and I would totally wear it for this season. So if you need a last minute manicure that's really quick, really easy to go with a costume later this week, this might be the one for you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to check back tomorrow for the next video, and this series is ending soon, so I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I've really enjoyed it. So yeah, I think that's it. I will talk to you all very soon. So bye.